Okay, so here's the actual definition of what all these letters are. There'll be numbers in an equation. A is called amplitude, and that's the max displacement from the midline. I'll try to do a better explanation of that in a couple of seconds here. You get period from B. 2 pi divided by B is the period. The period is the distance between the tops of a graph, the maxes, or the distance between the mins. It's how far the graph moves before it repeats itself. C is the horizontal shift, and we really don't worry too much about that. D is the vertical shift. So y equals d, is the midline. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to leave sine x plus 1, and then I'm going to say y equals 1. So there's y equals 1. Now sine x plus 1 just goes up and down from that midline. That's what I mean by midline. Okay, and so the amplitude is the distance from this line up here. This amplitude is just 1. It goes up 1, down 1, up 1, down 1. Okay, the period would be the distance from here to here, or the distance from here to here. All right, check this out. Two little simple formulas. The maximum is the midline, d, plus the amplitude a. Minimum is d minus a. So I got a quick example for this. Here's an equation. Okay, so just to relate it to what we're talking about, this is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. And I just want to get all four of these things, which will not take us long. We get period from b. Period is 2 pi divided by b, which is 2 pi divided by 0.5. That's 4 pi. What that means is this graph's going to be stretched out. Okay, we'll graph it at the end. The equation here of the midline, it's just y equals whatever this number is. That couldn't be easy. Y equals 2. That's your midline. Maximum, d plus a. 2 plus 3. So the graph is going to go up to a maximum of 5. The minimum is going to be negative 1. Down. So the graph will go down to negative 1. Let's see what it looks like. So 3 times sine of 0.5 x minus 1 plus 2. I'm going to make sure my window goes up to the maximum, which will be 5. Okay, I said it would be more stretched out, and it is. There, it got down to minus 1 and up to plus 5.